Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you all a recipe for pepper hook, and this recipe was shared with me from my mother-in-law. So to make this, we're going to start by placing a carallie, some peppers, garlic and onion on a fireside. We're going to char these vegetables up until they're nice and tender. Once they have a nice charred color and they're cooked properly, we'll remove them and set them aside. Next, I'm going to add a piece of salted cod or saltfish to the fire, and we're going to roast this for about 5 minutes on both sides. When it's finished, you're going to place it into a bowl with water, and next step is cleaning those vegetables and chopping it up into smaller pieces. When you open the carallie, you want to take a spoon and scoop out the seeds. Discard the seeds because we no longer need those. And you can wash some of the black residue or scrape the black residue off of the carallie. Chop it up into small pieces. Once it's chopped up properly, you're going to go ahead and place it into a big bowl. Now you're going to do the same for the rest of the ingredients, chopping them up and placing everything into one bowl. Next, take the saltfish and wash it in that water. We want to remove some of that salt. Once you've washed it, squeeze it and place it with the roasted vegetables. Next, using a pestle, squeeze or mash everything together. After, taste it and adjust your salt, and then this is ready to be served. This can be served with any type of roti, but preferably sada roti. So I hope you guys enjoyed my mother-in-law's recipe. So if you guys know about this, leave me your comments down below. If you make it, let me know what you think. Thanks to my mother-in-law for sharing another one of her recipes. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.